Hey guys, Brendan here, just giving you an honest review of Toritan, Birds of a Feather, Volume 1. This book introduces a unique blend of mystery, crime, and the supernatural. The story follows Ree, a detective with a special ability to communicate with birds, as he works alongside his feathered partner to solve strange and eerie cases. In a world where humans and birds are intertwined in unexpected ways, Ree unravels dark secrets and bizarre crimes involving avian-human connections. What I like about the book is it's a mix of thrilling detective work, quirky humor, and beautiful artwork. I would highly recommend it because it sets the stage for a gripping series that explores the mysteries of both the natural and supernatural worlds.